In this video, I will show you the knit two together stitch, often abbreviated to K2Tog in knitting patterns. This stitch is used to decrease the number of stitches in your work. It is often used to shape the tip of a sock toe or the fingertips of a mitten. This stitch is a right-leaning decrease. You can see here that I have 9 stitches to the right, a stitch marker, and 3 stitches to the left of the marker. The marker will help us know when to decrease and help us see how the stitches have decreased. First, I will knit up to 3 stitches away from the marker, or the place I will be decreasing. When I'm 3 stitches away, I will work the knit two together stitch. This stitch is pretty much as simple as it sounds. You'll take the next 2 stitches and stick the right needle from left to right through both of the stitches. It can be a bit challenging, but you just stick your right needle through both of the loops. You can then finish the stitch as if you were just knitting a single knit stitch. Then you can slip your marker and finish knitting the rest of the row. With this type of decrease, the row after the decrease is usually just knit straight with no additional decreases. So in this case, I will just knit the wrong side row in a straight purl stitch. Once again, on our right side row, I will knit up to 3 stitches away from the marker. When I'm 3 stitches away, I will again work my knit two together stitch. So I just stick the right needle through from left to right through both of the stitches. It can be a bit tough to get your needle through both of those stitches sometimes, but you just stick it through both, then wrap the yarn around and pull the working yarn through both the loops and slide the stitch off. And then you can just finish knitting the rest of the row and knit the wrong side row in straight purl stitch again. I will repeat this a few more times so you can see the effect of the stitch. I've made a few more decreases using the knit two together stitch, and you can see that I now have fewer stitches to the right of the marker, and you can also see how the repeated rows of the knit two together stitch created this right leaning line across the fabric. So this makes it an elegant choice for decreasing the number of stitches in your work.